My name is Mia Winston Hart and I'm an educator and accessories designer from the south of England. I own a small accessories business and I work from my home studio with clients from all over the world through Instagram and Etsy. Working with resin allows me to be extremely creative. I'm constantly learning new techniques, exploring colours, shapes and amazing possibilities. Resin is a fantastic material. You can manipulate it into any form that you desire. Literally, there are no limits. My passion is to create beautiful accessories that are one of a kind, because I believe that each person is special in their own way. Also, crafting with resin is extremely relaxing and I almost find it therapeutic. In this Domestika course, you will mould your ideas until you can wear them. I'm going to teach you how to create resin jewellery. You will discover different types of resin, techniques, and what these are used for. I will show you how to make a mould from your own drawings and how to polish and assemble your creations. For the final project, you will create a jewellery collection that represents your style. To do that, I will first introduce you to mould making, so you can create your own earrings based on your own designs. Then we will see a lot of resin techniques in order for you to have a considerable basis from where to get creative. Then we will actually start with our collection. Finally, we will see how to take your earrings even further through doming and sanding. At the end of this course, you will be able to create original jewellery from your inspiration. You will need supplies such as resin, moulds, little dried flowers, glue, pigments and glitters, because there is never enough glitter. This course is aimed at anyone who wants to make jewellery from the starting idea to the finished piece. Start exploring the endless possibilities of resin.